Today I am explaining the topic common salt of class 10th, chapter number 2nd, acid, bases and salts. Common salt. For the common salt, chemical name of sodium, common salt, that is sodium chloride, and chemical formula of common salt, that is NaCl. Common salt is also called as table salt because it is used as a food constituent, and in the table salt, that is not the pure common salt only, in that potassium iodide nowadays is added, and in the market whenever we are purchasing the common salt, on that packets it is written there iodized salt because iodine is in that. And as you know that iodine is very much essential for the production of thyroxine hormone by the thyroid gland. Subtopic of common salt, that is properties of common salt. In that, first, that is physical state and color. Common salt is the crystalline solid as well as it is colorless. It means you can say that it is a colorless crystalline solid. Second point, that is melting point. Melting point, that is 82 degrees Celsius. Third, solubility. At the room temperature, 35.8 gram of sodium chloride is soluble in 100 gram of water. Next, that is action of heat. Next property, that is action of heat. At the low temperature, it exists as a NaCl.2H2, means sodium chloride bihydrate, NaCl.2H2, and on heating it will be decomposes and gives crackling sound. Next property for the sodium chloride, that is hygroscopic in nature. Sodium chloride becomes wet when it will come in contact with the moisture. Next property, that is action of concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium chloride on reaction with sulfuric acid, it gives sodium hydrogen sulfate and hydrogen chloride. Please keep in your mind, whenever you are writing the equation, you should have to write its name. means all the names that is of reactant and product must be in that. H2SO4, that is concentrated sulfuric acid here, and it is also known as king of chemicals. Next property, that is reaction with silver nitrate solution. Sodium chloride solution when react with the silver nitrate solution, then it gives the white PPT of silver chloride, that is AgCl, and sodium nitrate solution we are getting. Now, summarize that whatever the chemical properties or physical properties we read in the case of common salt, first that is physical state and its color, right? Physical state, that is crystalline solid, color, that is colorless. Melting point 82 degrees Celsius, solubility, it is soluble in water, and next, that is in the case of action of heat, at the low temperature it exists as a sodium chloride bihydrate, but at high temperature it gives crackling sound, it decomposes and gives the crackling sound. Hygroscopic in nature, it comes in contact with the moisture, it will becomes wet. Action of sulfuric acid, on the reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid it gives sodium hydrogen sulfate, while on the reaction with silver nitrate solution it gives the white PPT of silver chloride. These are the main properties of sodium chloride. Okay. Uses of common salt or sodium chloride. First use, that is it is used as a food preservatives. What do you mean by the food preservatives? That chemical substances, or in simple, that substances which are used to preserve the food, it prevents the spoilage of food due to oxidation, that are called as food preservative. It means ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो फूड में मिलाने पे उसके ऑक्सीडेशन को स्टॉप कर देते हैं, उसको प्रिवेंट कर देते हैं और उसके स्पॉइलेज को रोक देते हैं, दैट आर कॉल्ड एज फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. जैसे पिकल्स में अपन कॉमन सॉल्ट डालते हैं, विनेगर डालते हैं सॉस में, ऐसे ही दालों में तेल लगाते हैं, दैट आर वी कैन से दैट कॉमन सॉल्ट, ऑयल, वेजिटेबल ऑयल और vinegar or some chemicals just like sodium benzoate, that are the food preservatives. Here I am saying that common salt is used as a food preservatives. It prevents the spoilage of food. Next, as a essential food constituent, common salt is very much essential in the food, and as you say that बिना नमक के खाने का स्वाद नहीं है, अगर नमक प्रॉपर नहीं है तो खाने का मज़ा नहीं आता है. इट मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी मच एसेंशियल एज ए फूड कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बॉडी मेंटेनेंस. नेक्स्ट, टू मेक द फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर, सोडियम क्लोराइड इज important to make the freezing mixture. It is used in the ice creams. Next, in the manufacture of soaps, to get the soap by the reaction. Common salt is essential because it used to solidify the soap. Next, as a lab reagent, common salt can be used in the labs for the different reactions. These are the main uses of the common salt. Okay, keep smiling, take care.